guys! Mabuhay po kayo lahat dyan! I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is stir-fried noodles with mussels. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my stir-fried noodles with mussels. Noodles, mussels, lemon, onion, garlic, cooking oil, soy sauce, fish sauce, carrot, and green beans. Now let's prepare the noodles. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hi guys, if you fancy a giggle and you want to see me jumping into a freezing cold swimming pool, click here. And if you want to see a preview of my cooking, click here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.